Today's video is about our recent stay at the JW Marriott Anaheim Resort. It's located near Disneyland, California. We did stay in a 2-queen room that was the concierge level. So as we walk in here, off to our right in our room was the closet. There's plenty of hanging storage. There's an ironing board. There's also 2 robes that were there for your use during your stay. And here's a list of the dry cleaning charges as of March 2023. So I'll just give you a minute. You can pause it if you need to kind of take a look at that if you need to see that. And then if we walk on in, to the left was the bathroom, and we'll come back to that in a minute. But here's the coffee area. It was a Keurig machine. They did have... And then here's some water. They refresh that daily. There's plenty of water in the room. You could also get it from the lounge if you needed it. They did have Starbucks coffee. It was the Pike place. And then there were Biscoff cookies there and all the creamer and sugar and stuff that you needed for your coffee. There's some storage over there. And then here we do have a mini fridge. So if you need to put some drinks in there or whatever, some yogurt or something like that from the lounge, you could do that. Here's the 2 queen beds. Here are the 2 queen beds. And then there's plenty of storage and things in here. There's the TV. There's also a desk area and that little sofa over there. If we look in these drawers, well, this is the safe. So we'll open that up if I can. Here we go. Come on. There we go. Okay, here's the safe. And then there's a little storage over there to the left of it. And then there's also drawer space beneath the safe area. And then there's the desk area. Here are some plugins. And then here's the little sofa area, a little table, light. Here's our view. Not much to speak of, honestly. And then here's another view of the beds. And then let's go over here and look by the nightstand. There's a phone. Here's the menu for the restaurant. Here's the plugins. There's an alarm clock there, more storage here. The beds were pretty comfortable. And then over here, there's a plug-in on the wall as well. And then let's go on into the bathroom. So there's a bathtub. And above the bathtub there was some storage. We used it for like our toiletry cases if we needed to. No one really took a bath, so that's the bath. And then there's a separate shower area, and I'll show that in just a moment. Here's the vanity area with the towels and things underneath. And there's a hair dryer in here as well. And here are the amenities, mouthwash, some makeup remover, standard things, lotion. And then over here is the shower area. There's a makeup mirror, and it was lit, so it will give you a good area to put your makeup put your makeup on. And here's just another view of it. But here's the shower area. It was nice. And the toilet area as well. So let me open up the shower so you can take a look inside here. They did have the full-size products, which is good because then you won't run out of shampoo or conditioner or anything like that. I kind of like that because we always run out of conditioner for some reason in our room when we have those little tiny bottles. So that's nice. And then I'll just take you a few pictures. So here's some pictures of the room itself. I wanted to talk about the lounge. It was a little quirky, like the opening hours. Maybe they're going to change that. I hope they do. This is a picture of outside the main lobby. This has this little garden area. It was really cute. And then here's a little just sampling of some things that they had in the lounge. Like I said, it was a little quirky, the hours. The first few days we were there, they were open for breakfast and like for the snacks and things like that. But then on the weekends, you have to go for breakfast in the restaurant. So it kind of tells you that in this. So make sure you read over that if you're thinking about doing this, because it is a little bit different than most lounges. The coffee machine and things like that were still open 24 hours a day, I believe, or maybe till 10 or something. I'm not really sure. We didn't go really late. But this garden area was really pretty, the little flower garden. It was really pretty, really, really pretty. And it's located in this like shopping district, like right outside of this, that has like foods and shops and things like that. It took us about 10 minutes to walk to Disneyland. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day wherever you are.